Hello everyone. Today this is another question on decision making, that is discontinuance of a product line. This is the question. Company manufactures three products S, T and Y. The information is given regarding S, T and Y. Sales mix, selling price per unit, variable cost per unit, total fixed cost is given, total sales is given. Now there is a proposal for the company to continue with this product line here. Discontinue with the product line means they are planning to replace the product Y with M. So further information is regarding STM. These are the information given, and based on this means two situations are there. One is the existing and second one is proposed situation. So we have to recommend to the management whether the company should accept this proposal or not. So we calculate the profit. In order to calculate profit, we have to apply the formula, that is sales minus variable cost, that is equal to contribution. Contribution minus fixed cost is equal to profit or loss. So we have to calculate profit for both the situation. So we make the table. Here we have to write existing situation. Depends on the question, number of columns may increase or decrease. So there are three products, so we have to make three columns here. So we write it here S, T, Y. Here we write total, particulars. Now first we have to write sale. So total sale is given in the question 6 lakh. Sales mix is also given STY, 35%, 35% and 30%. So we have to make the working note. Total sale is equal to 6 lakh, and there are three products S, T and Y. Sales mix is given according to the question. Sales mix 35%, 35% and 30%. So we write it here 35%, 35% and 30%. Sales 6 lakh multiplied by 35%, 6 lakh multiplied by 35%, 6 lakh multiplied by 30%, that is equal to 2,10,000. Here it is again 2,10,000. Here it is 1,80,000. So we write it in this table. Final answers of sale, that is 2,10,000, 2,10,000. Here it is 1,80,000. Total is equal to 6 lakh. Then we have to deduct variable cost. So variable cost, according to the question, it is not given directly. Variable cost per unit is given, selling price per unit is also given. So we have to calculate variable cost applying the formula. Variable cost is equal to sales multiplied by variable cost per unit upon selling price per unit. So there are three products S, T and Y, that is equal to individual product sale. We have to consider. Here it is for S 2,10,000 and for T 2,10,000 and for Y 1,80,000 into variable cost per unit. variable cost per unit for S product is equal to 15 and selling price per unit is 30. So we write it here 15 upon 30. 15 upon 30. And for second product 20 upon 40, that is equal to into 20 upon 40. And for Y product 12 upon 20, that is equal to, here we have to write 12 upon 20. So calculate the answers, that is equal to 1,05,000. Here again 1,05,000. Here we are getting 1,08,000. Now we have to write the values of variable cost in the main table, that is equal to 1,05,000. Here again 1,05,000. Here we write 1,08,000. So total is equal to 3,18,000. So sales minus variable cost, that answer we term it as contribution. So we write it here contribution. Contribution is equal to 1,05,000. Here again 1,05,000. Here we are getting the answer of 72,000. Here it is 2,82,000. Now we have to deduct fixed cost. Fixed cost, it is also known as fixed overhead or fixed expenses, that is given in the question. Fixed cost is 1,80,000. So we write it in here 1,80,000. Answer is positive, then it is profit. So we write it here profit is equal to 1,02,000. Now the same calculation we have to do for proposed situation. So we write it here proposed situation. Proposed situation. There are three products. We are replacing the product Y with M. So we write it here STM. STM. Here it is total. Here we write particulars. So first we have to write sale. So we calculate sale. Total sales for proposed situation is given 6,40,000. So again we have to make the working note. STM. Sales is 6,40,000. So we write it here 6,40,000. 6,40,000. Here also 6,40,000 multiplied by sales mix is given for STM, that is equal to 50%, 25% and 25%. So we write it here 50%, 25% and 25%. So the answer is equal to, here it is 3,20,000, 1,60,000 and here it is 1,60,000. Now we have to put these values in the table. Here we write 3,20,000, 1,60,000. Here also 1,60,000. Total should be equal to 6,40,000. Now we have to deduct variable cost. Variable cost, again we have to apply the formula, that is equal to variable cost is equal to sales into variable cost per unit upon selling price per unit. So there are three product STM, that is equal to sales of individual product we have to consider. So we write it here 3,20,000. For second product 1,60,000, and for M 1,60,000 multiplied by variable cost per unit. According to the question, proposed situation, variable cost per unit is 15 and 30. So we write it there 15 upon 30. And for second product 20 and 40. So we write it there 20 upon 40. And for M product it is 15 and 30. So we write it there 15 upon 30. 15 upon 30. That is equal to 1,60,000, 80,000, 80,000. So we have to put these values in the main table. Here we write 1,60,000. Here it is 80,000. Here also 80,000. Total is equal to 3,20,000. Now, sales minus variable cost, we know the answer is contribution. Contribution. Here we write 1,60,000. 1,60,000 minus 80 is equal to 80,000. Here also 1,60,000 minus 80 is equal to 80,000. Now total is equal to 3,20,000. We have to deduct fixed cost. Fixed cost for proposed situation is same, that is 1,80,000. So we write it there 1,80,000. So the answer is equal to 1,40,000. Answer is positive, then it is profit. So we have to decide based on this existing situation. The profit is 1,02,000. Proposed situation, the profit is 1,40,000. So we can recommend the company to accept this proposal. So all have to write a statement that from the above analysis, it shows that the profit of proposed situation is more as compared to existing situation. So we can write it there. So this proposal to be accepted because the profit of proposed situation is more as compared to existing situation. Thanks for watching.